Back to the charts with Big Boss Crypto, bringing out a day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on AVAX. Bitcoin hasn't moved much the last couple of days. Despite all the good news, we had XRP deemed not a security. We have this guy, Larry Fink, the CEO of Blackrock, talking about crypto all the time, and yet the price is moving sideways. What can we expect? Well, let's look at the charts. So if we zoom out a bit, we can see a defined structure right here. A lot of people forget to zoom out looking at the Bitcoin chart. They just chase the next move, the next big thing, but remember to zoom out to get the bigger picture. And the bigger picture is that we have W bottom in December 2022. We have first leg up, first retrace, second leg up, second retrace right here in 14th of June, and currently we are third and final leg up to the upside. And I do think we could move all the way up to 34k. However, we broke this local high, the second high right here. We've broken it several times, and as you can see, we could perform a double top formation and it would be a valid structure, and we could move all the way down to 20k again and even further down in the next impulsive leg to the downside. But if we zoom in a bit, we can see that we have got some rejections from the 32k area, and we create some volume candles to the upside right here. As you can see, we have two of them unrecovered here at 31.2k. I do think we could move even further to the downside, as we have a big volume candle which hasn't been recovered yet, all the way down to 27k. We could see a retrace up to that point, and that is where we could form a double top formation. Let's say we recover all of it right here, and the structure would look something like this, where we have another spike to the upside up to 32k or even up to 30k, and that is where we could move to the downside. That's something I'm looking at least. Nevertheless, we are in our third and final leg to the upside, so if you aren't in any shorts and do consider shorts, I do think you can start building them right now. Not financial advice, this is just for educational and entertainment purposes only, but you could start building them right here where we are right now. You could have some orders set at 34k and some at 40k, and you could have your stop loss around 45k and ride this to the downside. You will get some of it filled, some possibly not, but we have a lot of volume candle to the downside, as you can see. And if we take a look at the news, Larry Fink talking about crypto, I've seen him talk about it all the time on CNBC, on Fox. So something is up. He could be, I don't think he's gonna buy Bitcoin when it's at 30k. I think he wants to buy it when it's at 17k. And when Bitcoin was at 70k, he was quiet. So possibly he could have building positions at that point, and now it's just spreading good news about crypto so that he can dump it again and buy back when it's at, let's say, 26k. Just a thought I have, at least. You make your own decisions, but I'm always skeptic when it comes to BlackRock and big money firms talking about crypto. They usually spread FUD or hype things up and then sell and or buy. So they do the opposite because retail FOMO's in. So looking at the news events for this week, we don't have much going on. We have the retail sales, not going to move the market that much. I think we have the unemployment claims on Thursday, which could rock the market if it's surprisingly low or high. So a quiet week, at least. Looking at the liquidation map, a lot of people have been going short actually. So we could have another spike to the upside to possibly 30.7k, and that is where we could reverse to downside, because if you see here, a lot of money, a lot of liquidations is here from, let's say, 28k down to 24k, which could get recovered at any point. So be careful of that. let's take a look at AVAX then. So AVAX is performing as expected like Bitcoin. We had a double bottom formation. We had a first spike up here, first retrace, second high, second retrace, and currently we are on third and final wave up, which could be somewhat of half finished, because we could perform a double top formation of some kind in the next couple of days. And when you see another high coming in here, that is where you could possibly go short. Not financial advice, but let's say that we go up from here up to these highs at $16 and then get rejected as we did right here. As you can see, if we zoom in, this is a 4-hour chart, a lot of spikes, wicks to the upside on the highest possible point. That is a suggestion that we will have a reversal. So if you see the same structure right here around the $16 area in the next couple of days or weeks, you could be preparing your shorts. Not financial advice, but that's something you could do. So the targets to the downside is then first and foremost down to $12.8. Break that, we could go down to $11. Break that, $9.7 is the bottom target, possibly locally. That's something I look at least. If we break this high and hold above it on the 1 hour time frame, next target to the upside is at 16.4k. Break that, $21 is the next big target to the upside if we sustain our move to the upside in the crypto market. That's it for today. I hope you learned something. See you soon. Big Boss out.